This is one of my favorites. It's the Twin Hearts, but it also has about a 8-minute meditation at the end, where Master Choa Koksui guides you with psychological, emotional, purifying energy through each of the chakras. All the major chakras get purified. Extremely powerful. As it says here, psychological health and well-being. Do this one if you have the time. It's about 30 minutes for the meditation itself. At least 30 minutes. Do it before bed to help get rid of the stress energy of the day. But this is one of my favorites. It's very deep. Not only has all the benefits of the Twin Hearts, but it has this meditation at the end. Purifies all your chakras. Solar plexus, back, heart, throat. Amazing. Amazing. It's very powerful, cleansing and energizing your aura. It's very simple. It's very simple and powerful. This helps relieve stress and emotional conditions like anger, unforgiveness, and more. And it's safe to practice on a daily basis. Very powerful. Very powerful. I mean, it's very calming, so, it should help, with healthy blood pressure. As your energy body gets cleaner with the practice of the meditation, you'll have more clarity in thoughts and clarity of emotions. I know when I do this in the morning, my whole day is much smoother and things flow effortlessly. Yeah, I mean, just mental clarity, stress relief, increased psychic ability, increased intelligence. Very, very important skills. So basically, it just helps, with anger, and helps you be relaxed. So in addition to containing the ohms and the meditation part, it contains the brilliant electroviolet light portion, and it's I can't even tell you how powerful this is. So, there's luminous white energy through the chakras and the energy body. It clears out stress, helps dissolve negative cords. Can help people with phobias, depression, and other negative vibrations. Like if you have anger, you got to do this daily.